Have you ever felt sad? Well, I have the solution for you. A, cor- a coral reef is an underwater ecosystem characterized by reef-building corals. Reefs are formed of colonies of coral polyps held together by calcium carbonate. Most coral reefs are built from stony corals whose polyps cluster in groups. There are 4 different types of coral reefs: fringing reefs, barrier reefs, atolls, and patch reefs. Fringing reefs grow near the coastline around islands and continents. Barrier reefs are roughly parallel to a shore and separated from it by a lagoon or other body of water. Atolls are a circular type of coral reef that is created as a ring of coral surrounds an undersea volcano that has risen above the water's surface. As the volcano slowly sinks over thousands of years, the reef remains growing. Finally, patch reefs are isolated patches of coral that are in close proximity to each other but are physically separated by sand rings. Coral reefs are located in tropical oceans near the equator, like the Great Barrier Reef in Queensland, Australia. There are many different types of plants and animals that live in coral reefs, some being sponges like the stovepipe sponge, SpongeBob, and the Callie spongia. Different corals like staghorn coral, pillar coral, elkhorn coral, seapen, and many others. Different kinds of fish like parrotfish, lionfish, blue tang, humphead wrasse, blue spine unicornfish, Moorish idol, Luchinus bohar, and many others. And shrimp and crabs. Coral reef food webs start with the sun by helping plants, like algae, grow. Then, smaller organisms, like sea turtles and shrimp, eat those plants. In turn, bigger organisms, like the nurse shark, will eat them. Coral reefs grow in tropical climates. The temperatures range from 68 to 97 degrees Fahrenheit. However, deep-sea coral temperatures can go as low as 30.2 degrees Fahrenheit. Some things you can do in coral reefs are underwater dive, snorkel, sail, and take pictures. Fun facts. Coral reefs are often called rainforests of the sea. They cover less than 1% of the ocean, but are home to almost 25% of all known marine species. Coral reefs are colorful because of algae. Coral reefs are very interesting with many things to see and do. Wouldn't you love to go there?